everyone, welcome back to the channel where you get a little everything Jamaican. I am Michelle and with me is my husband Marcel. And so this morning we are in Craighead, Manchester, and we're heading to see Mr. Mullins. Right, so we're going to be checking on him. We're going to be bringing him some groceries, and we would have received the monetary donations for him of $6,000, so we're going to be taking that to him as well. But in the meantime, please remember to like, to share, and to subscribe to the channel, so once we post a new video you will be updated. And also just want to use this opportunity to say thank you to all our donors. Thank you for your continued support. And as such, this morning we are able to bring Mr. Mullins some groceries because we would have received those items, you know, in the barrels that were sent to us. So God bless you, and may your store basket never be empty. All right, so just enjoy the journey with us until we get there. Alright guys, so we are heading down by Mr. Mullins now. We're gonna turn right.
Right turn. Make sure you don't have nothing to turn back for.
No, sir, I think I bring everything.
I'm a fan of you guys.
Really?
I want to always watch you guys video.
Oh, thank you so much. Yes,
Yeah.
man.
Big up yourself.
So is your farm this?
No, not my farm.
Oh, okay, okay. All right, thanks for the support.
Yes, man.
All right, good. Okay, so normally Marcel is the one bringing the bags, but this morning I've decided that because he's like, oh, you want me to carry it? So I said, no man, let me carry it. You're always carrying it. So I get a little break now.
Remember, I never tell us I'm tired enough. Yes.
Good morning.
Good morning. Them a put house in the yam field.
Oh yeah, I didn't even realize. We're almost there, guys. Almost there.
Yeah. See if him sit down outside. See him all there.
Yeah. So.
Him sit down out that door. See him there. No? See him hot there.
Turning back.
He have been grow up in front of the house.
So see the marl here. It did say got some marl. Mr. Mullins.
I wash right you know.
Wait, stranger.
Hey, what's up?
Well, you be like
Good morning. How you do?
well, make you be like that. See when me there.
Oh, so why you sit down here, so?
Yeah.
Why you sit down there, so?
Me just come out, man.
Oh, you try to get up there, so?
Yeah. Sometimes me die down there, man.
Oh, okay. Let me put this.
At 3 times wet.
Oh, the time is wet.
I put you in while I see them, make you see me up here, so.
Or else you would be at the back.
You don't want the back.
Oh. So where did I do? Just go sit down and hang out?
Yeah, man, me just go up and sit up there so.
Okay.
See if you know then follow. You want to a brush. I do a brush in it, my shit.
Yeah. So how the foot?
Yeah, man.
Because we call you to find out if you wanted to go to the doctor, because one of our donors had offered to send you, but you say you don't want to go no doctor.
No, but we need to have an appointment same time.
You did have one appointment
Yeah, me go,
at the clinic.
me go, no doctor.
Oh,
I me go Thursday gone again.
okay. So the doctor look at the foot, because I know the foot you did have the appointment for.
Everything.
Or then do one general checkup.
Check everything. Yeah, man.
So the foot alright?
Yeah, man, see there.
To dry up?
It dry up long time, man.
Oh.
After me couldn't wear shoes, funny. Yeah, shoes, funny, guy, man, the bill over.
Okay.
Sits me on your talk. Yeah, man, me go man, the bill doctor. Up to Thursday, gone, I last.
Appointment you go to?
Me go back to.
Oh. So,
Me go back to one now, November.
okay. November, the next one.
The last one for the year.
Okay. So the doctor say everything alright?
He say everything, got the cholesterol, he say.
It's a little high?
A little high.
Oh, so what you say you must do? Give me?
He give me medication, man.
Oh, so you're taking them?
Yeah, but yes, man. I want something, I give me trouble, you know.
Or what?
I can't me see one woman with a mandible.
Oh, the foot?
Yeah. See one woman with one mandible.
Okay.
Yeah, man, me see one woman with one mandible, man. From quite up there, so.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
And him a walk like a me and you.
But remember now, for your thing, we were trying to get certain documents from you that you don't have, so we could get to bring them into the office to see if we could get you the prosthetic leg. But because you don't have the birth certificate, what else you don't have again? Is the birth certificate you never had? Not true?
Yeah. Don't be that, sir.
Because they needed that along with your TRN and ID.
Yeah, man, me tear my ID, them they no start to me.
Yeah.
Yeah, we have TRM, we have ID for RADA.
But Anna, the rather ID they want.
No, man, me have the other one.
The national ID
Yeah, man,
and the
yeah.
birth certificate and TRN.
Yeah, man, when I'm in niece, I be out the road.
Oh. So you used to have your birth certificate? Or you never get one yet?
No, sir, you know, sir, if I tell you something, when my mother did tell me, we start when birth certificate there and we have this heavy stamp the same time, at the same time, and you know.
Yes, everything got lost or destroyed.
No, but everything get destroyed. I forgot to stamp their name on Flora.
Oh. You remember which year that was?
A long time, man. A long time, man.
Oh.
It was house when we make down at bottom, this other in 57.
Oh, you did have one house at the bottom before this one?
Yeah, man, as you go there, so you see it.
What, concrete house? Oh, plyboard.
No, man, board.
Board, oh.
Natural board. Yeah, man, the way, as you go there, so you can see it down at bottom. But there are plenty people that live down there.
Okay, not you alone.
No, man, of them about 19 of it.
Oh, wow. Family?
No, man, we have that building there.
Okay.
And everybody drive away, so. Me come here now and buy that place here. Find the man with the sell it.
Yes.
And God help me catch it already.
Okay.
I couldn't catch further. I see him time now, when me do that so. We finish up that so now the wife dead.
Oh.
Everything me have to throw back.
Yeah. So what happened to your wife? She was sick?
And then diabetic.
Oh.
And the second thing they want to push. And they want to push where crap him. You know, push sometimes team.
Yes.
And they crap him and this I go on and some me got doctor, come. And time me haul out, me coming conk out. Me have to can't go there, so we start out of house, so. And get taxi.
Yes.
Mandeville, Christiana. They tell one time then make last time me can't go there. Me can't go there, then cut one of the foot.
Also, she lost her leg before she died.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. I couldn't, doctor said he couldn't keep.
Okay.
He couldn't make the grade.
Oh. So Mr. Mullins, you were telling me something over the phone about the marl and the cement. What you say about that now?
They could to make up the man the money.
No, man, you're starting a Mickle. What you tell me say about the marl? Tell me whole story.
So me get the mal. Oh, the mal and the cement come.
Right. So you get the marl and the cement?
Yeah, man.
Okay. I will give you.
Yeah, he come from the MP.
Oh, MP give you?
Yeah.
Oh, so you're going to use it for bottom the floor in here,
man.
so?
Yeah, man, right there.
Okay.
Cement there.
Oh, so how much bag of cement?
It's 10.
Oh, 10 bags of cement.
Yeah, man.
Okay.
I told the man them busy van where they make you come and come see drop in.
Okay, so where did tell me say you want now? Where did say you want?
One raise, man. What me and you didn't talk about?
One raise? So tell me, what we did talk about the raise say? That me ask you, what we did talk about the raise say?
Oh, we clean up the place.
No, man. What you call raise? What name raise?
Say 1 year raise. Yeah, Ginal, you know.
No, me not Ginal, but me don't know what name for Mr. Mullins.
You have to put your Ginal.
All right, I want name raise. Tell me what you did say, man.
You're not baby again.
No, but you have to tell me.
You want money?
Oh, you want money?
Yeah, money then, money.
Yes, that's why you have to talk straight.
Yeah, want money.
So how much money you say you did want? How much money you say the man them want to do the bottom of the floor?
6 grand.
6 grand. Okay. All right. So, Mr. Mullins, a lady by the name of Blessings, she donated $6,000.
Oh, God bless him.
Yes. So we carried come give you this morning.
God bless him. God bless him.
Right? So you can use that to pay the two of them, you say?
2 of them.
To bottom the floor.
Yeah, man, next week when you come back here, you come see it.
Yeah. All right.
Yeah, man.
So big up Blessing. Thank you so much.
God bless.
Yes.
God bless this cheerful giver.
Much appreciated.
Yeah, man, God bless the cheerful giver.
Yeah.
And bless you too.
Yeah.
If I feel that day, you wouldn't come through.
Yeah.
So, God bless you and your husband.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you, Mr. Mullins.
I was somebody with me know a long time.
Yes. You know him long time.
Upon you, what man?
From you depend van the yam truck.
Yeah, man.
Is yam van or truck?
Yam truck.
Yam truck. Yeah.
Truck, man.
And also, Mr. Mullins, so we bring you some groceries because we have some donors who would have sent us barrels, and so we're able to pack you some groceries this morning here.
What you say, God be praised.
Yes, man. Tell them thanks, you know.
God be praised and God thank you.
Yes.
And thank you for yourself.
Yeah, man.
Each and everyone.
All right.
And bless you too.
Yeah, man.
Also your husband.
So where you go to for the rest of the day?
If you know that I drive you now, you wouldn't.
True.
You have to learn to drive yourself.
Not true. You have to learn to drive yourself.
Well, so God bless him.
Yes, God bless him.
Yeah, you don't need no much blessing. You could have said, me now go down where
yes, it's true.
Me got me bush, me now
All right. So what the plan for the rest of the day now?
Me? Soon go on a lime tree there, so.
I want to run a lime tree.
Go look for lime and come back here, so come sit down.
Oh, you have lime on the tree?
Yes, I will. I will deal and come here, some boy from not come here. Come to we like them. Cut all me banana room there, so.
Banana gone?
Yeah, man, cut all me banana room there, so.
But you have coffee down there, so too, Mr. Mullins?
Yeah, man, me have coffee down there, so I don't let me want me plan to go.
Oh, okay.
Anytime hold up.
Okay, okay.
That's true. One friend, if one friend then come here and pick them already. You pick you and pulp man.
Yeah.
She don't want to take me and pulp out it.
So you didn't run out of groceries, or you have from the last time we came?
He actually gone down.
You gone down? Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Yeah.
And my water done. God bless you for the water there.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
You're welcome.
Yeah, man. Yeah. Good water, you can see, you know, empty bucket.
You drink it. It's good that you're drinking your water.
Me drink water like as you see me drink my tea. And take my medication. Me have a drink one mug of water.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Okay, okay. All right, Mr. Mullins, you want us to put in the groceries for you?
Yeah, man, you can put in.
All right, we'll put in it when we finish. All right, guys, thank you so much. Special thanks to Blessings. Thank you. Mr. Mullins is more than grateful. And thanks to all our donors. Thanks for your continued support. And with that said, this is where we end the video for today. Thanks so much for making it a little everything Jamaican. Blessed love, stay safe, and bye-bye.
Love and justice.
Huh?
Peace and love.
Peace and love and one justice.
Peace and love and one justice.
All right.